Lalabas kami ngayon ng aking ulirang mister kasama syempre ang kanyang ulirang Mrs. Char. At pupunta kami sa isang lake na matatagpuan lang naman sa Gangsterville, Alabama. Kalimitan, pumupunta ang mga tao sa Gangsterville Lake for fishing, water sports, or to visit the scenic Gangsterville State Park. Pero ngayon ay dadalhin ko kayo sa City Harbor, kung saan matatagpuan ang mga barkong nakadaong sa Gangsterville, Alabama. At alam nyo ba na ang pinakamalaking lake sa Alabama ay ang Lake Gangsterville? Wala lang, gusto ko lang ipaalam sa inyo, kahit hindi kayo interesado. Charot. At kung napapansin nyo, sobrang daming puno dito. Nakakatuwa. Ang sarap mangahoy dito. Charot. Umabot siguro ng 1 oras ang biyahe namin dito mula Huntsville hanggang sa Gangsterville. So ito na nga, andito na tayo sa City Harbor, Gangsterville.
Bouncy.
It's not that too bouncy. At ito na nga yung sinasabi kong barko sa inyo na si Ninya at si Pinta. Si Ninya pala ay ginawa sa pamamagitan lamang ng kamay at hindi sila gumamit na kung anumang power tools. At itinaturing ng ilan na ito ang pinakamakasaysayang barkong replika ng Columbus na ginawa nila. Samantalang si Pinta naman ay inilunsad noong 2005. Ito ang pinakaunang barkong dumaong sa bagong daigdig or New World. Anyway, sinerge ko lang naman sa Google ang pinagsasabi-sabi ko dito. Anyway, kayo nang bahalang mag-research ng ibang kwento nito at sumasakit na ang ulo ko. Charot. At ang admission or entrance fee pala dito para makaakyat sa barkong ito ay nasa $10 isang tao. That's a cannon, right?
Yeah, a little one.
That's a replica of the sword that Queen Isabella gave to Columbus.
Oh, is it?
This one was made in Spain. One of the cities.
Hmm.
Hi. How are you guys? Welcome.
Who built this?
Brazilians.
Brazilians.
Portuguese descendants. Built with hand tools. 32 years ago. Finished in 92. The pins over there is 19 years ago.
Just say little lake. Just say little lake.
We go all around the country. We go to the East Coast. All rivers.
At ito na nga, dito pala sa City Harbor ay may mga restaurants, shops, and mga suites. Do you know how to drive a jet ski?
No. You don't want to do that, do you?
I want to do that. Yeah. That's cool. Say hi. Say hi. At ito na nga, kumain pala kami dito sa isang Mexican restaurant.
Good.
At ang in-order pala namin ay fish tacos at beef tacos, served with rice and Peruvian refried beans. At itong beef tacos nila ay may toppings na cilantro, chopped onions at salsa picosa. At ito namang fish taco ay may toppings na tomato, cabbage at may sauce din ito. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong klaseng sauce ito. Prito yung isda at mahi pala ang tawag nila dito sa isdang ito.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.